Hey everybody.
It's Keezy and
Star.
oh damn.
Okay, and we want
Bitch, what you thinking?
to talk about
Hold on, what I got to?
dang, Star. I'm trying to find the light.
You all up in it. That's where it's at. We head to the side.
Okay, listen. We came here to talk to you about when you have sexy ass significant others, and when they make you mad, and you're just like you can't even be mad.
Can't be mad no more because goddamn motherfucker so goddamn sexy. See my bitch, she's sexy. Her name is Zaria. You can follow her at Scorpio. Wait, no. She changed her name. She was Scorpio, baby.
Legalize
now
Bridget.
Legalize Bree. That's my baby. She's so sexy, and when I be mad at her, it's hard to stay mad because she be sexy.
Yeah, they just be, you sitting on the couch and you just be pissed off, and then they just walk past.
And you can go follow me on I'm not a _star_. Follow me.
She rude, yeah. She rude. Shoot. Hey, shoot. So, yeah. You just be pissed off, sitting on the couch, just looking at them, just fucking mad as fuck, and then they just...
Babe, get a black.
They just give you that look, and you just be like...
Hey, please.